very nice environment. The guides, the leads, the group, everyone was very friendly. The homestay was beautiful. I liked it. The view, the food was great.
In the start only they just started making us feel comfortable. We did not feel like they were other part of us. So this was my first trip with outside people. As many people have already said that we started feeling comfortable from the beginning only. And this is the trip which is making me to get involved in some of the other trucks also. So I'll be hoping to join some more trucks.
Hey everyone, this is Neha. Actually, this is the second time I have come to the trek. Last time ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಏನೋ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah, this is my first long trekking and all are new for me. So along with the excitement, I had a lot of fear as well. But our trek leader Sharmila and Sanat guided us very well. And thanks for both.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವುಮನ್. ಚಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಬಂದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.